Hi again. So far we have learned all about the general settings, and I've also shown you how you can create a scene to get your virtual tour started. Now I'll show you how you can include hotspots in your virtual tour. By hotspot I mean these little icons where you can include information, images, videos, and a way to go to different locations within your virtual tour. So let's just get down to it. For this I need to go to the hotspot tab. So in the hotspot tab, first thing I need to do is I need to assign a hotspot ID. I'll name it H1A, and you can see there are types of hotspot. There are two types, scene type and info type. For now I'll just show you what's the info type hotspot. Under info type there are three options: URL, on-click content, on-hover content. Let me just go ahead and show you all of them one by one. So let's say I want this hotspot to be placed right over here. Now you see when I clicked on it, this information's pitch and yaw are updating. See, I click on a different location, different spot, it changes. So let's say I want to include something over here. So for that I need to copy the pitch and paste it in the pitch field, and I need to copy the yaw and paste it in the field for yaw. Now first thing I'll show you is the on hover content. So let's say I'll just name it forest. So now if I click on preview, the preview will reload. I'll click on this, and as you can see the hotspot has been added in that spot, and if I'm taking my mouse on top, I'm hovering it and it's showing forest. So that's the purpose of on hover content. Now let me just remove that and let me just include an URL. So whatever website you put in the URL tab, URL field, whenever someone clicks on this hotspot, you'll be taken into that URL. So let me just input my website, rextheme.com, but you need to include the complete URL including HTTPS. Keep that in mind. So once I've done that, if I click on preview, the preview will reload. Click on this, and this time you see I'm hovering it. It's not showing me anything for on hover content, rather it's showing me the ID for the hotspot. Now if I click on this, it's going to take me to my website. Alright, now just go back. Now the third option is the on-click content. Now this part is important that you know. On on-click content, you need to input information in HTML paragraph form, which means you need to use the p tags to input information. This is because we have set up a default HTML style whenever you input information here. So once I include the opening and closing p tags, I'll just write this forest is mysterious. Yes, mysterious. So now if I click on preview, the preview is going to reload. Now you just go ahead and see it's not showing me any on hover content because that's empty. It's just showing me the content ID, hotspot ID. Now if I click on it, it will show me a pop-up message: this forest is mysterious, the content that I set up. Right now, in this case, for hotspot, you can actually include an on hover content alongside with any one of these two, either the URL or the on-click content. But you cannot include URL and on-click content on the same hotspot. Now it is advised that every hotspot you set up, it's best that you include an on hover content, because or else it will just show you the hotspot ID, which you don't want to show and confuse the customer with. So I'll just include here the forest, and if I click on preview, the preview will reload. I click on this, and there you go. It says the forest on hover. If I click on it, it's in the message. In the next video, I'll be also showing you how you can embed a video in your on-click content, and you can also show images in your on-click content. Alright, and later on we'll also learn how you can go from one scene to another through a hotspot. Alright, thank you.